Hey everybody, I want to make a little short intro before the intro. In this break, I'm questioning whether or not I have just opened a hot box, and I have determined that yes, it is for sure a hot box. So yeah, have fun. Watching this, there's so much stuff in here, it's crazy. So I'm not going to talk it to death. Enjoy the video. I promised you Prizm. We have Prizm. This time it's baseball though. It's usually football. This time it's baseball. I have two boxes, like I told you guys in the contest video yesterday. Yeah, there's lots of goodies in here. There's 12 cards per pack, so fat packs with 12 packs per box. I'm gonna cut this so I can show you the odds. Yeah, you get 3 autographs, or supposed to. You know, I'm good at getting screwed by Panini. 15 Prizms total, including 3 silver and then different colors. Look for 3 different hot box configurations. I'd love to score a hot box. Love, 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 love. There's that. I'm going to leave that there for a second. While I glance over it, but I'm not going to read that. It is way too confusing and small. And I don't have on my little reading glasses, so yeah. I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully it's as good as I've built it up to be in my mind. The quality control on Prizm football this year wasn't the greatest, so I'm wondering if that's going to be an issue here. Look at that. Oh, baby. That is a thing of beauty. Alright, let's do it. Just a big old fat pack of chrome goodness. Oh, this pack wasn't even sealed. Is that good or bad? Are these sealed? Yeah, wait, not really. Look. So I'm guessing, I don't think anybody's been in the box. I'm guessing the glue is not very good on this. So that's, yeah, this whole pack was just completely opened. Wow. I don't know about that. Alright. All the cards are pretty cool. It's a completely new and different design. I can't hold it up completely straight or it'll just reflect back, so I'm trying to show it to you without making it look confusing. It's got black at the top, 2 little black lines here. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Wade Davis. Okay, whoa. Holy smokes. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, let's sort through this. So there's a Walker Buehler, gorgeous, like Prizm type parallel there. A Matt Olson one of the same. Sean Newcomb, this is just a base Prizm. Insert Goldschmidt machines. Then we have these blue Jose Martinez and Trey Mancini. So there is a lot going on there. Brad Keller and Larry Walker finish that out. I don't know if this is a hot box, if I was supposed to get that many in that pack. I don't know. Scooter, Mullins. There's just a Sheffield rookie. Okay, here we go again. Kopech. George Brett. Are these numbered? These are not. Here's a blue Plar. It's probably numbered. No. Let me see. The blue looks really good, so I assume all the other colors will as well. Insert Verlander Scorching. Looks like a snake skin Harold Castro rookie. That is numbered out of 50. Chance Adams red out of 299. There is a lot going on. There's Ripken. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, there's so much. I'm wondering, is it a hot box? I guess I'm going to compare it to my other one. I don't know. I haven't been able to watch any breaks today, so I don't know, is this coming out of everybody's? There's a McGuire rookie, Newman rookie, Fireworks, Prizm, Aaron Judge. That's a good looking card. Wow. Rodriguez and Chris Sale, Correa red, Matt Olson Lumber ink. That's pretty cool too. Wow. I'd like to see a Prizm version of that. Corey Kluber out of $2.99. A Pedro Martinez blue out of $3.99. Matt Chapman and Kufo. Alright. Mondesi, Sean Newcomb, De Los Santos, Urias is my first auto. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that shine. That shine is something else. Wow. That makes mama happy. Alright. Auto number 1. Good looking card. Back to some more parallels. Shane Bieber. Justin's dad. Just kidding. Garrett Cole. Hunter Renfroe. Acuna. Numbers game. This reminds me of an insert they had in another product one time in the 90s. Maybe an aficionado. I don't remember now, but that's cool. Oh wow, here's the first green. It looks like Disco Bubbles. Bowers, and it says numbered out of 199. Bowers rookie. And Max Scherzer out of 150. There's so many parallels in this. Kevin Mitchell, Travis Shaw. I'm kicking my own butt mentally for not knowing if this is a hot box. I don't know if everything's supposed to like be so much stuff coming out of this or what. And I'm probably not really going to know until I open my other box or get on the internet. But you can comment below and let me know. Cano parallel. God, those look so good. Big Poppy. Plain Tim Anderson. I mean plain hollow. Gleyber Torres Instant Impact. Another good looking insert. Good job, Panini. Y'all know I don't like giving Panini credit, but these cards look sweet. They just absolutely do. Ranger Suarez, the green out of $1.99. Brad Keller rookie blue, $3.99. Rodon and Sadzik. It is crazy how much fun this is to open. I expect the prices on these boxes to go up now that people have gotten a little taste of this, because it looks really good. Duggar, Manea, Luis Castillo, Adrian Beltre, which I think I already had one of those. Austin Wins rookie blue. Fireworks JD Martinez. Oh wow, another one of these like zebra, I guess zebra skin. Rowdy Tellez rookie out of 99. Kirby Puckett, love that. Love Kirby Puckett. Out of $3.99. Sorry, I cannot remember the numbers. There's Ozzie Smith and Trevor Story. I love that they have the old timers, the vet players in here. I like that a lot. Alright, Mancini, Severino, Miggy, Mike Minor. Then we start with Garrett Hampson, rookie. Sano. Ooh, a blue Mike Trout. That's so clean and sweet. I don't see any production lines. That is nice. Instant Impact Andujar, Freddie Freeman blue, a Josh Donaldson zebra print, and then we have Caleb Ferguson rookie and Kirby Puckett. Still looking for 2 more autographs. I'm so sucked into these parallels that, honest to God, I completely forgot about the autographs. See, that's when you know you've done a good job. If you can make people stop fretting over the hits for a second and think about something else, well, then you've accomplished something. Alright. There's Kershaw, Nick Williams, a Kyle Wright rookie, Sterling Marte, Jack Flaherty, Adam Jones red, another scorching Garrett Cole. Ooh, look at this. Ryan Messenger to 75. Looks like an Topps atomic refractor. Barrios red. $2.99. Perez rookie and Philmeyer rookie. Alright, 4 packs. Still looking for 2 autos. Now it's on my mind because I'm so often getting the shaft from Panini. Alright, Moncada, Schwarber, Molina, Nemo, Justin Turner, and John Lester. A Chris Shaw rookie holo. Stargazing Ohtani. That's sweet. Yeah, these inserts are very reminiscent of 90s inserts, so it makes me feel the warm and fuzzies towards them for that reason. Severino, what is this, like a wave at a 60. Pablo Reyes blue rookie out of $3.99. Harrison Bader and Lugo rookie. Josh Donaldson, Marza, Meadows, Toussaint autograph, and it is the blue version. Touki Toussaint, Touki Toussaint. So 2 rookie autographs, Urias and Toussaint so far. Aaron Hicks and Blake Trinan, Stephen Duggar blue, Blake Snell Brilliance, that's a different insert. Jonathan Losaga to 150. This is like the gold bubbles. Colby Allard rookie. There's Robles and Pelham. 2 more packs. Alright, Renfro, Correa, Wilson rookie, Taylor Ward rookie, Wendell and Haniger, O'Hearn red, Whit Merrifield Illumination. That's going to look good in parallel version. That's going to look really sweet in parallel version. Sabaka red rookie. Ooh, I love that Reese Hoskins. Look at that. Another one of the, what you call it, atomic refractor. That's what I'm going to call it. It's out of 75. Andujar and Kikuchi, which I still have his, that Donruss autograph redemption that I pulled not too long ago. I still have that if anybody wants it. Reyes, last pack by the way, Dakota Hudson, Smoke, and Framber Valdez out of 50. So that's the 3rd autograph. 3 rookie autos. 1 regular like hollow and 2 a blue, and then this snake skin, which is really sweet looking. Alright. DeGrom, Yarborough, Reyes red, Fireworks Alex Bregman, Cody Bellinger green, that looks good, out of 199, and Tyler Mahle, I guess zebra print, out of 99. Alright, Boruki and Dietz rookies. That is it. Wow. That is, I gotta process that. That was a ton of fun. I, honest to God, don't know. I just read to you guys what consisted of a hot box, and I still don't know if I got one. It seems like an awful lot of stuff. Let's do this real quick. So you know there's the 3 autographs. These are the base cards. I'm not gonna try not to drop them. So, which is quite a lot, but oh, there's a lot of stuff on the table that comes off of these cards. There are actually as many or more parallels and inserts as there are base cards. So either it's a hot box or Panini is just absolutely loading these boxes up with goodies, which in the long run, if that's the case, will probably hurt the value of them. But there's so much variety that, I mean, who knows? If somebody wants, say, you know, to run the whole rainbow and zebra and snake skin of their favorite player or teams, they're going to have a lot of fun chasing stuff out of this. I can definitely foresee that. So, and I do think prices on this will probably go up a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's good stuff. And like I said, I tried to watch as I went through the cards to see if the chrome looked as terrible as it did in football, and it doesn't seem to. I mean, granted, maybe I just got lucky. Quality control could have been good on this box. So, but like I said, I've got another one, so be watching for that. I'm going to shut up. This video is already running very long because that was a lot of stuff. A lot of fun though. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, I have the other box I'll post for you guys tomorrow, and that's it. Have a great night.